Hello and welcome to your next car video of the BMW 116 M Sport in the lovely white colour. 2015 covered just over 61,000 miles. As you can see, it benefits from the xenon BMW LED lights, Y&C front grille, Y&C splitter. Just show you the quality of the splitter, how well it fits. Gloss black alloys, side decals. It's got the privacy glass with the black mirror caps, M4 style. Just slowly taking you around the vehicle, very tidy, no scratches. Rear parking sensors. Lovely Y&C rear spoiler there. Lovely large boot area with the folding seats. Comes in very handy for the extra storage. Driver's side of the car again, very nice and tidy. It will be coming onto the inside of the vehicle once I've showed you all the exterior. Bonnet again looks very nice, very few chips. Passenger side, very nice and tidy. Coming onto the inside, it's got the lovely black Alcantara interior with the blue stitching. Same on the driver's and the passenger door card. Manual vehicle. Comes with the Bluetooth. Full service history on the iDrive. It's all been serviced at BMW, this one. Yes, the recent service in 2020. Just show you how nice the interior is. There we are, covered just over 61,000 miles. Got the auto wipers. Back seats again, very nice. Smells really nice and fresh here as well. Final walk around the vehicle. Show you these lovely headlights. A bit difficult to see when the sun's shining, but all round very nice car. Don't think it will be in stock for long. Feel free to give us a call. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.